Mastering fitness vocabulary. The front squat. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific but interesting phrase in the English language. Especially if you're into fitness, front squat. This phrase is not only a great addition to your English vocabulary but also an insight into a popular exercise. So, let's explore what front squat means and how it's used in both language and the gym. First, let's break down the phrase. The word front refers to the position of the body or an object that is facing forward or is placed at the front. In our case, it indicates the positioning of the weight during the exercise. The word squat refers to a strength exercise where the person lowers their hips from a standing position and then stands back up. So, front squat combines these concepts. It's a type of squat exercise where the weight is held at the front of the body. In a front squat, the weight, usually a barbell, is held at the chest level with the arms crossed or with the elbows pointing forward. This exercise primarily targets the quadriceps, which are the muscles at the front of the thigh. It's different from a traditional squat where the weight is held on the back. The front position changes the dynamics of the exercise, making it a bit more challenging and focusing on different muscle groups. When it comes to using front squat in conversations, it's typically found in discussions about fitness, workouts, or strength training. For example, someone might say, "I included front squats in my leg workout today," indicating they performed this specific exercise. It's a term well recognized in gyms and by fitness enthusiasts. That's all about the phrase front squat. Whether you're a language learner with an interest in fitness or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this phrase is a great example of how specific terms can be in different contexts. I hope this video helps you understand and use front squat confidently in your conversations. Keep learning and stay fit.